What's up, guys? I'm playing. Don't press the button with my friend. Don't press the button for.
What's WLFF?
Say Goofy, my man, because you'll keep saying that. Yeah, that was him. Where's the ball?
Hey, give me
No. I mean yes. Bro, I keep lagging. Bro, I'm lagging. I'm the chosen one? It said in
no
your
one
screen.
knows about
What happened? Why are we so small?
Hey, yo, so small.
Goofy, yeah.
Hey, yo,
We just joined someone's server. I don't know. Because I joined my friend. Ah! Bro, I landed on the button. Oh no! Help! Help! It's aliens. Oh no. No. A pizza is bigger than me. Look, this pizza is bigger than me.
Oh, hell no.
Hell no, man. Ah! Stop! Oh,
Hey, press the button.
I survived. Bad weather only. Ah!
Mama.
Goofy, ah!
I had a hiding spot. No one can hit me.
Suicide.
Hey, yo. No one can hit me.
Ah!
Come here, Goofy.
Oh yeah, Goofy, yeah.
Come with me.
Ayo. Also, you don't see. Oh. What was that?
Bro, someone. Hey, yo, watch out. Oh.
Ah!
The ball is not
Oh.
coming.
R.I.P. button.
Hey, I'll press the button.
Bro, the button is broken. Bro, I'm lagging. Bro! Finally.
You here?
Yeah. Bro, why I keep lagging?
Bro, this is so easy.
No!
What? Oh.
I'm joining him again, guys.
Oh,
Make-
no. Uh-huh.
If it's a black screen, oh my gosh, that's so dangerous. Because you will see my face reveal. A black Cola to survive. Wait a minute!
I find black cola.
I already have black Cola this whole time.
We had this.
Because I just bought this black Cola.
So yummy.
Don't be sauce!
So yummy. Bro, I ain't drinking.
Bro, it's just like pouring in our face.
This is the most yummy cola that I press the
This is
button.
probably the sweetest cola that I ever find a hole in the wall. Easy. Easy.
Hey, yo!
So easy.
Mama! What happened? Bakit di ko gumagalaw?
That's it.
What?
Bro, you're lying. I mean, you're lagging.
No, I'm not lagging.
Bro, I hate my internet.
You lagging?
Not again! Guys, I'm joining him again.
It's getting easy.
Bro, it's hard. Bro, stop saying so.
Wala pa naman yung yummy.
Bro, they can hear you. You dumb. Delicious. It will help you survive because the lava is very hot, right?
Hey, yo!
Right?
Russian Federation. Goofy Federation.
My favorite European
Hey yo!
city is
For
Moscow.
the snowballs. Oh.
Oh no, it's raining snowballs on the outer sky.
Go on the button pressor. Pressor.
Bro, that's me. That's me, you dumb dumb. It's a statue of the liberty,
We live
JK.
in Philippines. Hey yo!
I know, right? Knowledge.
Hey, Nino, care.
Knowledge. Knowledge.
We actually graduate college. We actually got graduate college. Nice. Oh, we get to keep this hat. Lag. Get ready. Oh shoot. That's to the bottom. The top. Bro, I'm lagging again. Okay, lang. Nothing. Oh, that was so cool.
Yeah, we.
Bro, I became bald. I'm back. Wait, no, I lost the hat. Stay clear of moving platform. Okay. Bro,
Hey yo!
bro,
I need. Oh! Yes!
bro, why am I lagging?
Bro, that's.
Not again.
Yes, I'm.
Joining again, guys.
Get to the work. What classic of water is this? Bro, what classic of water is this?
What kind of water is it?
And deliver the pizza correct house 86.
Bro, why my screen is like this? Bro, why am I bald?
86.
Bros, a house spawned on me. I fell. I fell to the void. I'm Superman. 79.
Yeah, that game is so easy. So I'm gonna buy something cool.
Hi, 79. Knock, knock. Hey! Hey! Why do you keep lagging? I hate my internet connection.
Pizza, ano mo?
Bro, why is it not working?
May wifi. Tignan mo, nagpa-floating ako. Di mo na hacker. Tignan mo, logic ko, di mo na ako nag-hack.
Bro, my Wi-Fi is trash.
Oh,
Ah! Finally.
may wifi.
I'm gonna break the rules. No, not this again. I hate mazes.
I'll follow you.
Dead end. I'm totally new, but mazes.
Yeah. I'm so pro. Bro, think I'm in bathroom.
Maze and backrooms are kind of similar. Oh, you just go round in circles. Bro, my classmate just don't.
Be the first 1 to 5, press the button.
Bro, why am I lagging? I hate my internet connection.
Alright. Yung Wi-Fi.
My Wi-Fi sucks.
Said find the button, so I'm gonna put on the fire. And then oh, it's not the button.
Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends and family. Wait, never mind. Never mind. Catch the present. Yay! I love Christmas. I love Christmas. Oh, I hate my Wi-Fi.
May Wi-Fi to edit.
Yeah, your Wi-Fi is epic.
Naglalag ako? Wait, I mean, do I lag? Am I lagging?
I don't know. Maybe. Hi, Christmas. Present.
Hi, this one by
I'm so good at this. I just got 3 presents. Wait. Yay.
Don't worry, I'll press the button.
Oh, Abby. Bro, I can't move.
Same as me, bruh. Tung-tung. Go. Yo.
Why I can't move?
Oh, black fruit water.
Hey, yo, I can't move. Oh, finally.
Black fruit water. I'm gonna remake this button.
This Wi-Fi is the worst. Bro, I died. I fell. Bro, I'm such so rude. Go, Rossmar.
No! Bro, I died.
Hey, yo.
I'm so close. Bro. Why do I run?
Yeah, I don't know. Just run in circles.
Oh no, there's an earthquake. Earthquake, ayo.
Hey, you don't get close to the building.
Legend of Food. Legend of Food. Ayo! I got balls.
Hi.
Hi. I touch it.
Pia Samida.
We're so broad, red light, green light.
Bro, we're so new.
Reach to the top, but how? Oh yeah, I know it.
Low gravity. Hey, yo.
You ain't loud.
Wait, I'm not lagging? Bro, that was so embarrassing.
Wow, my Wi-Fi is so great. I got disconnected.
Bro!
Wait, I'ma reconnect again. I mean, I leave because if I reconnect, I'll join to other server. That's so horrible.
Yeah. Ah! Bro, you're still the button presser.
No. Okay, I'm gonna join. Just look, I will be always the person. Hey yo. Hunt down the survivor side mission.
I think there is no survivors because there is no
Hey
human.
yo, what classic of skin is that?
I don't know what happened to my skin.
You
Seems sus.
you become a goofy hey yo!
Bakit? Hey yo, what happened to me? Why I'm taking damage? Oh. Ooh. The monster has died.
I'll be the best.
Rosmar is finally back. My friend's name is Rosmar.
Help me.
Eee. What? Bro, you died?
Yes, kasi jump.
Rip. Bye.
Bro, why the lava is looking like the lava?
Try to not fall. You thought that I'm gonna die? No! This is the last one. I hope she lands in the hole.
Yes, bro, I fall.
Bro, you fell to the lava? Person who grabbed the shit that I
Yeah,
asked.
I got that.
In the right hexagon. Oh, orange hexagon. Where's an orange hexagon? Bro, we're so dumb. Find a pink circle. It's the color is pink, but this is not a circle.
I won.
Find a green cone.
I won first.
Bro, there is no one else, they Dumbo.
Hi, Daddy. Orange triangle A. Yo, what did I say?
Triangle.
No, I said triangle A.
Eh,
I ran a ball.
Bro, making vid.
Land on the corner. Wait, why didn't you chat me? Ayo, shut up.
Hey yo, we're making a video. Next color is blue.
No, I like
Bro, I'm so lag. Orange. Next color is yellow. The lag.
Is that really the name of WhatsApp? WhatsApp?
Bro, be
No,
quiet.
shut up.
Bro, be quiet. We're making a video.
No, we're not making. We're making a. Hey yo!
Wait, that.
Oh no!
Bro, did you fall? I hope you did fall. Okay, when did I ask? Oh no! Oh shoot!
I won the game. Oh, press the button! Press the button!
Reach the top.
Hey, no, no, no.
Snowballs. Ow! Wait, I'm back.
You can do that.
Bro, what the heck?
You can do that.
storm.
What classic of storm is that? This is a winter. Mama!
I thought it.
That's the button.
No, me.
Find the correct pad, okay? No!
Bro, lag.
Enter the mysterious cave. Ayo.
Enter the mysterious cave. Okay.
Oh!
Oh no. Oh.
What the? What? Go faster! I need to be faster! Go fast, fast!
Bro, I keep lagging. Okay, reach the top. Okay, sounds easy.
Go walk up. Go. Hey yo!
I disconnected, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.